Oh, another video. This one seems to have already been taken apart. It's a pace. There you go. Right, finally. Now, this is the inside of a paste box. Here's your hard drive. You can tell someone's already been in here. But clearly, it's already been unplugged. So that's how easy this one was. Don't really count this because you can tell where it is. It's already been took apart, missing screws. I don't know what's happened with this box. Really the unusual one. So we're going to be doing this other one, this Amstrad 280 model, DRX280. So we can actually see what you actually have to do. There you go. Yeah. I haven't took apart one of these ones before. Yeah. Take the screw out, put it down, take the screw out. These Sky Plus boxes are easier to take apart than your Sky Plus HD ones because I believe they started to clamp down on the security ball when people started extracting the videos off with the hard drives or using the hard drives. So yeah, 3 screws on this one. One screw further. There you go. Then you just, I think I did, lift it up and slide out. There you go. This one looks a bit different. I haven't dealt with this box before, but I assume it's going under here. So for that we need to remove these screws. Yes. Yes. So. Here we go. Well, the hard drive is kept in here in this model. So you have to unplug. The ID connector and the power connector. So it's right in there. Then you put your box to your side and you just got 2 screws on each side to take the hard drive out. And 4. They're straight out there. There you go. So I've got 2 hard drives from 2 Sky Plus boxes. Now all you have to do with both sets of boxes, especially this one, you just screw these ones back in. Ignore the gold ones because you don't have anything to attach it to. Put the case back on, screw the 3 back screws in, and you're done. Thank you. Bye-bye.